The national statistics are quite clear when it comes to marriage: 1 out of 3 marriages end with a divorce. These statistics are much higher when it comes to relationships, and men have been regarded as the disloyal one in most cases. Have you ever wondered why men tend to be unfaithful when they are in a relationship? While your man may seem committed to you all the time, you may wish to have his attention physically and mentally. Click the link in the description below this video for details. If you are among the thousands of unsatisfied women who wish for nothing more than a committed partner in their life, the monogamy method is the right system for you. The monogamy method system has been regarded as a woman's companion to changing a man from being half-heartedly committed to being completely in love with their partner in no time. Infidelity has become a common practice. It is not only hard to find a man who is honest and committed, it is downright impossible to keep them interested in you as the time goes by. In order for you to stay happy and committed yourself, you need the focus of your partner not just in a physical manner, but in an emotional way as well. The monogamy method has been created for the very purpose by a relationship guru named Jason Rogers and has been co-authored by Samantha Sanderson. Samantha Sanderson brings in her expertise in this program to help women find the right path to a fulfilling and passionate relationship. The monogamy method is basically a simplified guide to help you keep the one interested and loyal for as long as it takes. Being fair, your partner may not be a cheat, but his occasional glance and wandering eyes are biologically natural. So you need to tap into the psychological power of the human mind to divert that attention towards you. The monogamy method is not just some relationship advice written by amateurs, it is an extensive program that has been designed by experts that involves scientifically proven techniques. The main attribute of the monogamy method that makes you trust the program is the fact that it has been developed on the basis of a study conducted by German scientists. The study conducted by the scientists was on oxytocin, which is a male hormone related to physical desire. Oxytocin is the scientific explanation for love, and the monogamy method focuses directly on this love hormone to help you keep your man attracted to you, no matter what the circumstances may be. Click the link in the description below this video for details.